Hi guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class 11 English, chapter 3, part 6. And today we are going to discuss question answers. So for our first question is give reasons for the following. So our first part is King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. So, King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny because right from the time of the discovery of his tomb in 1922 by Howard Carter, the modern world has been curious to find out what happened to King Tut. He died unexpectedly. No one knows how the boy king lived and died. So, to solve the mystery of his death, the world was curious, and that's why King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. So, second one is Howard Carter's investigation was resented. Resented means hated. So, why it is so? Howard Carter's investigation was resented because he destroyed the original state of the mummy. His men cut off the mummy's head and separated every major joint of the body to raise King Tut from the gold coffin. They then reassembled the remains on a layer of sand on a wooden box and put the body back. Moreover, Howard Carter did not use scientific methods in that process. So it resulted in a great damage to the mummy. So our next third question is Carter had to chisel away the solidified raisins to raise the king's remains. So what is the reason behind it? Howard Carter had to chisel do you know chisel छेनी और हथौड़ा के साथ किसी भी चीज़ को किसी से अलग करना. So he had to chisel away the solidified raisins to raise the king's remains because the ritual raisin had hardened, cementing King Tut to the bottom of a solid gold coffin permanently. It was stuck permanently. So our next question is fourth one. Tut's body was buried along with glided treasure. So the reason behind that was King Tut's body was buried along with glided treasures because in that time the king was very wealthy and people thought and hoped that they could take their riches with them in their journey after death. Hence, King Tut was buried with all the things that he used in his daily life and things that he would need in the afterlife. Now, the fifth question is the boy king changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. So, the reason behind that he wanted the restoration of the old ways. His ancestor Amenhotep IV had shocked the country by attacking a major god, Amun. It was a time of unrest. The people they were feeling uncomfortable. The boy tried to establish the old faith by renaming himself as Tutankhamun, which means living image of Amun. So now come to second one. List the deeds that led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Wacky. Wacky means hota hai Sankey. How can he say that King Akhenaten he was a wacky person? He was a crazy person. So, according to Ray Johnson, as he has described Akhenaten as a wacky because what he did was nothing less than a crazy in those times. He promoted the worship of Aten, the sun disk, changed his own name and moved the religious capital from the old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten, now known as Amarna. He further shocked the country by attacking a major god Amun by destroying his images and closing his temples. His rule was a horrible time for the people. So next one is second is what were the results of city scam? So King Tut's mummy was the first one that was being scanned. The CT scan machine scanned the mummy from head to toe and created 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. King Tut's head was scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its complicated structure to reveal the secrets of his death. Okay, and the CT scan showed King Tut's neck vertebrae as clearly as in an anatomy class. Other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transection of the skull that showed there was nothing unnatural in his death. Now come to the next question, third one. List the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis. So advances in technology have proved forensic analysis significantly. Today, diagnostic images can be done by computed tomography. In computed tomography, hundreds of X-ray of in cross section are put together like slices of bread to create a three-dimensional virtual picture of the body. The scanners can scan even the minute structure by scanning it in a thin slice. So next question, next and the last question is, explain the statement King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. So what is the reason why this has been said? Here King Tut was the last ruler of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt for centuries. He came to the throne when he was not even a teenager. At a very young age, he contributed tremendously in restoring the past glory and old ways, because Akhenaten had destroyed the image, and the time was very hard for the people. However, he met a very early death in mysterious way. Okay, when he was just 18-year-old, since the discovery of his tomb, okay, it says the discovery of his tomb in 1920, जब से हमने उसकी tomb को discover किया था 1922 में, the modern world was very eager to know about the reason of his death. Hence, the CT scan was done, and in life as in death, he has been the attention of all, and because of attention of all, it has been said that he was to be scanned in death as in life. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.